Hey guys, I'm Vishnu. In this video, I'm gonna show you some important tips and tricks on Android 10. The first thing is customizing the notification. First, you have to long press on any apps, click on the info option, select the notification option. I'm selecting the default notification. Here it has two options, alert and silent notification. The alerting is the default one and the silent notification turn off the sound and vibration. Also, the minimize option shows all the notification in a single line. Also, in the advanced option, we can choose how the notification to be displayed in the lock screen. So using these options, we can able to manage notification of all the apps easily. So the next trick is securing your notifications in the lock screen. For that, we have to go to the settings, selecting the security option. We have to register the Face ID. After registering, it will show these options. You have to choose detect face to show notifications, which won't display any notifications unless you unlock your device. So using this trick, no one can able to see your notifications in the lock screen. The next trick is split screen mode. Before looking into that, we have to enable some options to utilize this option efficiently. For that, first you have to open settings, choose about phone option, scroll all the way to the bottom, select this build number multiple times unless it asks for password. After giving the correct password, go back, open system settings. There you can see the developer option. This unlocks some additional features to customize your phone even better. Now open the developer option and search for the option called force activities. This option enables all the application to resize when working on split screen mode. Also you can find this option under apps section. After enabling these options, the app which didn't support split mode starts supporting split screen. But the only drawback is sometimes those apps won't work perfectly. After enabling all these options, I'm going to open Twitter. After opening it, I'm going to minimize it. I'm going to open Chrome. Now open the background apps. Select the icon. There you can see the split screen option. Select that option and now select Twitter. Now this is the split screen mode. Now we can able to use these both apps simultaneously. This feature is more helpful when listening to online class and taking the notes at the same time. We can also adjust the screen size by selecting the middle bar, sliding through the screen to adjust the screen size. Also can open other applications by simply going to Home, open Calculator. Also we can exit this split screen mode by moving this middle bar all the way down to the screen. So this is another useful trick to know. Next useful trick is picture in picture mode. To show this option, I am going to long press the YouTube icon, select info option, after that select the advanced option and scroll down. You can see this picture in picture mode. Make sure it is enabled. Also, if you have premium subscription in YouTube, you can be able to use this peep option. Also, you can use this even in the split screen mode. To use this flip mode, I am going to play some random video on YouTube and simply go to home screen while the video is still playing. Now you can see the video is changed into a small video. You can also enable the split screen mode with this flip mode. Now the YouTube video will be displayed over the apps and you can move the video to any side of the screen. When switching to the split screen mode, the video will still be playing over the other apps. So this is the crazier way of using the multitasking option in the Android, which I like the most. When I updated my phone to Android 10, I faced this issue. The navigation bar still have the same width in the gesture navigation mode, which is so annoying. To get rid of that, go to the developer options, search for small width option and change the value from 423 to 410 and then select OK. Now the problem should be rectified after changing the values. Let's check. The problem is rectified. So this is how to fix this width issue. Now we can get some extra space when using all the applications. This smart lock is another security feature. If you long press the power button, you can see these three options in this menu. To enable smart lock, go to settings, open display option, select this arrow. you can see this lock screen option. Open that, you can see the show lockdown option. Just enable that option. After enabling that option, go back again, long press the power button. Now you can see this lockdown option. If you press that option, it disables the fingerprint sensor on Face ID. The only way to unlock the phone is by entering the passcode. If I try to use my fingerprint, it is asking for the passcode. This feature is added an extra layer of security to your phone. Another security feature in Android 10 is go to developer tools, search for quick setting developer types. There you can see sensor off option. Enable that option. After enabling it, you can see a new option in the quick settings. And if you enable that option, it will disable the camera and mic in your phone. If I try to open camera, it wouldn't allow, and also if I try to access my mic, it will show error. This is an amazing security feature which you can use when you need some privacy. Also, you can turn it off simply to again access the camera and mic. Simple, right? The final trick is in the developer option. If you scroll down, you can see this option called default USB configuration. After opening it, change the option to file transfer, which allow to open phone storage by default when you connect it to your laptop. You don't have to give permission to access each time you try to connect. So that's it guys. See you in the next video. Peace.